Hi, I'm Rowan Beaton, Senior Engineer in the Asset Planning Group in Gippsland Water. We're planning to build a major new water main on the western side of Warragul. It will increase the volume and security of water supplies for the growing towns of Warragul and Drouin. The pipeline will provide an alternative supply line for maintenance or emergency work on the existing Warragul mains. This will avoid interruptions to customers' water supply. It will link Drouin to the new Warragul-Moe interconnect pipeline, which will give security of being able to provide water from multiple sources, and it will facilitate growth in Drouin and Warragul. We expect construction of the 4.3 kilometre pipeline to start in the 2021-22 financial year, and the project is expected to be completed in late 2023.